Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Adisha Razan, matric number 230504.
And I am Aisyata Hasana, matric number 230479.
We are from section 713. We will present our legal news titled Couple in Seremban pleads guilty to neglect of child which resulted in death.
So now I will explain the facts of the case. The accused Noraini Harun, 42, and Muhammad Khairul Shamsua Israq, 38, was charged under Section 31, Subsection 1A and Section 34 of the Penal Code. The charge of neglecting resulted in the child death carries the imprisonment for up to 20 years under fine of 50,000 or both if hence, the court allowed them bail of Rm 20,000 with one surety, and the submission of the forensic report is on to me. Next, the classification of law is under public law and falls under criminal law. Public law is the relationship between a state and its citizens. It addresses the responsibilities and rights of private citizens towards the government. Meanwhile, criminal law is the body of law that relates to crime and punishment. These laws cover offences against the community and its members, detailing the punishment and legal steps for charging, prosecuting, sentencing, and jailing those found guilty of criminal activity. This case falls under criminal law because it involves the prosecution of individuals for committing a criminal offence, specifically child neglect resulting in death. Under criminal law, the state prosecutes individuals who violate laws designed to protect society, including laws protecting vulnerable individuals such as children. Furthermore, the legal procedures in the case, such as their guilty pleas, the bail set by the court, and the submission of a forensic report are all part of the criminal law process. These include the investigation, charging, trial, and potential sentencing of the accused for their alleged criminal actions. The involvement of a deputy public prosecutor also emphasized that this is a matter of criminal law.
Moving on to the court which heard the case. It is Sessions Court. The Sessions Court heard all matters of which the claim exceeds 25,000 ringgit but does not exceed 250,000 ringgit except in the matters relating to motor vehicle accidents, landlord and tenant and distress, where the Sessions Court have unlimited jurisdiction. Next, I am going to illustrate the parties involved in the legal news that we have chosen. Firstly, prosecutor. Prosecutor is a legal official who accuses someone of committing a crime, especially in a law court. The second party involved is defendant. Defendant is a person or group against whom a criminal or civil action is brought. On the other words, someone who is being sued or accused of committing a crime. In this case of the couple in Seremban that pleads guilty to neglect of child which resulted in death, the prosecutor name is Deputy Public Prosecutor Nur Shafina Muhammad Razwan. As for the defendant Noraini Harun, 42, and Muhammad Khairul Shamsua Israq, 38, a workshop assistant. Last but not least, I am going to explain the 5 legal terms that we found from the legal news. First, charge. A charge is a formal accusation of criminal activity. It is decided by the prosecuting attorney after reviewing police reports, witness statements, and any other evidence of wrongdoing. Formal charges are announced at an arrested person's arraignment. Second, bail. Bail means a procedure by which a judge or magistrate sets at liberty one who has been arrested or imprisoned upon receipt of security to ensure the released prisoner's later appearance in court for further proceedings. Third, plea. Plea is a formal statement by or on behalf of a defendant or prisoner stating guilt or innocence in response to a charge, offering an allegation of fact, or claiming that a point of law should apply. Fourth, accused. It means a person or a group who has been arrested for or formally charged with a crime. Lastly, prosecution. Prosecution means the act or process of holding a trial against a person who is accused of a crime to see if that person is guilty.